Do not do this if you're learning a second language. Probably one of the worst things you can do if you're not fluent is relying too heavily on Google Translate. Now, it's usually fine for one-word translations or even a few sentences, but when it comes down to everyday phrases or paragraphs of text, it really falls short. Instead, you can be doing what Nick here is doing, which is basically using AI writing assistants to fill in those gaps. Check this out.
My business is based in France, but I'm a native English speaker. I'm doing a lot of emails to people. That's most of my job, most of the day. When I started using Compose AI, it just very often was completing sentences for me. If I write a sentence in French, language is very important here in France. They're very formal with their language very often. It gives me alternatives and rewords what I'm saying so that I know that I'm not making mistakes and have a tendency to just write the sentence in French as if I was writing in English, but just a literal translation for each word. And I realize if I write that and then I can click on something and it gives me some different options of how I can reword that phrase. And very often I'll look at it and go, oh yeah, I remember from when I was actually doing my French lessons that is the way I should be writing this.
And what's cool about this is that tools like Compose AI actually learn from your style writing, so you don't sound like a robot. Anyway, you can download Compose AI for free and check it out for yourself, and let us know what you think.